Oh wow, y'all, look at the beautiful snow. On the 21st of January, 2025. That's no jive, y'all. Look at here. Isn't it beautiful? Like a winter wonderland. Look at there. Y'all see that? Beautiful. Y'all see that? See it real good at the light. The light reflecting. Look at that. And there you have it. See all that? Gorgeous. Gorgeous. All right, that's it. That's enough. Look at the snow.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, see the snow. See the snow. It's a lot. It's a lot, y'all. All over the porch and things. It's a whole lot. It's a whole lot. Yes, beautiful. Isn't it beautiful, y'all? Y'all check it out. Gorgeous. Let me get in here before I get sick. Dry my throat out. Yeah, but that's it, y'all. That's it.